Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we freeze rows and columns in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet, I have created a table over here. As you can see, now I want to freeze these two rows and column, this column. So what I'll do is I'll just click here, then go to View tab, then Freeze Panes. If I click here, as you can see, now my column is freezed and also my rows are also freeze. As you can see, serial number are freeze now, and I can move here and there like this. And if I unfreeze here, and if I want to freeze top row like this employee detail, what I'll do is I'll just click here, freeze top row, and now my top row is freezed now, as you can see here. And if I unfreeze here, and if I want to freeze for my first column, what I'll do is I'll just click freeze first column. Here my first column is freezed now. Here you can see, uh, this is how we can freeze rows and column in an Excel workbook. And I hope you find this video useful. And if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notification for further updates. So take care. Bye bye.